There we go, got another one. Hey, what's going on, y'all? So I'm back out here in Myrtle Grove. It's a little chilly this morning, but it's supposed to be warming up in the 70s. Gonna see what we could catch. See if I can find a couple redfish. I'll show y'all what I'm throwing. I'm just throwing a rattling shrimp, reeling it slow on bottom. Made a couple casts so far while it was still dark. Didn't get anything. But if this is your first time here, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button for me. I really appreciate it. And if you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. Comment below, let me know what you think. And y'all stay tuned. Got a nice trout. Got a nice trout. See if I can get a couple more. Without trying to draw too much attention to myself. There we go. Got another one. Got another one. It's a big one. Got another one. Oh, there we go. Got another one. Got another one. It's a good one. See if he's 12. Look at him. See if he's 12. He's 12. Yep. There we go. Got him again. That one's a little. I'll throw him back. Look at it. Rattling shrimp. Got another one. We got another one. He swallowed it that time. He's skinny. Look at him. Ah, missed him. He hit it. There we go. Got another one. That one's too little. I'm gonna throw this one back. Too little. Got another one. It's a little one. Catch and release. There we go. Got one. Oh, I lost him. Lost it. Right there. Right by the boat. Get in the boat. Right in the net. Oh, shit. I can't keep them in the boat. Bam. Alright, y'all, that's gonna be the end of the video. I caught a few decent trout, a couple small ones. Couldn't find any redfish, but maybe next time I'll get the reds. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up for me, smash that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it, and I'll see you next time. Peace.